Hello everyone. We dropped a very interesting question in our Facebook page a few days ago, and that question is this. All right, now the question says, if a man hangs on a single high tension wire with the both ends, will he be electrocuted? That's the question. Okay, now don't forget that this is coming to you from the pedestal of knowledge online math and physics channel. Now, this question is very interesting and very easy in the sense that the simple explanation to the question is based on Ohm's law. Now, remember that Ohm's law states that if temperature and other physical conditions are constant, then the current passing through a metallic conductor is proportional to the potential difference between the ends of that conductor. Now, from this law, I want you to pay a very good attention to these two words, potential difference. Now, the potential difference between any 2 points in an electric circuit is simply defined as the work done in driving a unit electric charge from one point of the circuit to another. So, in other words, from this very definition, it is very clear that the current is the vehicle, while the potential difference is the driver. Without the driver, a vehicle cannot move. The same way, electric current can only flow through a material when there is a difference in potential. In fact, potential difference is what drives or pushes electric current to flow through a material. So electric current can only flow through a material when there is a difference in potential. Now, when a man hangs on a single high tension wire with the both ends, that single high tension wire is operating at just one single potential. So there is no difference in potential that will be enough to generate the electric current that will pass through the man's body. So the man will not be electrocuted. However, if the man mistakenly touches another high tension wire with another hand, while still holding this wire with this hand, then a difference in potential has been established. A potential gradient has been established, and electric current can now flow through the man's body, and the man will be electrocuted. Now, it is very clear that water only flows through a pipe from a region of high pressure to a region of low pressure. So before water can flow through a pipe, there must be a pressure gradient. There must be a pressure difference established in that pipe before water can flow through it. The same way, electric current can only flow through a material when there is a difference in potential. Now, this phenomenon explains why a bird can conveniently perch on a high tension wire without being electrocuted. This is simply because that high tension wire is operating at a single potential. So there is no difference in potential that will be enough to generate the electric current that will pass through the bird's body. However, if peradventure that bird mistakenly touches another high tension wire with one of its legs or with one of its wings, then a difference in potential has been established. So electric current can now flow through the bird's body and it will not be electrocuted. So in summary, if a man hangs on a single high tension wire with the both ends, he will not be electrocuted simply because there is no difference in potential that will be enough to generate the electric current that will pass through the man's body. Thank you very much for your audience. Please feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. We are ready to attend to your questions. Thank you so much.